Good morning, children. How are you? Are you fine? Very good. All of you open your workbook. Workbook, volume 2. Page number 7. Reena and the popcorn. Describe the popcorn monster. How is the popcorn monster? I'm writing first answer. The popcorn monster had two big popcorn legs. Two big popcorn legs. Two big popcorn arms. Two big popcorn arms and big and big sharp popcorn teeth. Big sharp popcorn teeth. Big sharp popcorn teeth. How did popcorn monster trouble Mrs. Smita? The popcorn monster was chasing Mrs. Smita. The popcorn monster was chasing Mrs. Smita all over the class. All over the classroom. All over the classroom. How did Reena save Mrs. Smita? Reena put the empty gunny bag over the popcorn monster to save Mrs. Smita. To save Mrs. Smita. Reena put the empty gunny bag over the popcorn monster to save Mrs. Smita. Complete your answer. Complete soon. Have you completed, Amma? Next. Arrange the following words in alphabetical order as in dictionary. First one is popcorn, girl, teacher, bag, helper, monster, round, floor. Is is given now. We have to arrange them in alphabetical order. We have to arrange them in the alphabetical order. Next, Amma, we have to arrange the words into alphabetical order. Alphabet means A to Z are called alphabet. What's first letter of alphabet? A. What is? Amma, supposed to see the first letter. Annitlalle first letter chuddam. What's the first letter? A. With A, any word is there? No. After B, what is the letter is there? Sorry, what is the word is there? Bag. B for bag, no? Write down bag. B after C. With C, any word is there? No. C after D, any word is there? No. D after E, any word is there? No. E after F. S. What is the word is there? Floor. F-L-O-O-R. Floor. F after G. What is the word is there on G? Girl. Write down girl. G after H. What is the word is there? S. Help. H after I. What is the word is there on I? No. J. No. K. No. L. No. M. S. There. Monster. M for monster. M after N. N after O. O after P. P for popcorn. P for popcorn. P after Q. No. R. What is the word is there? Anard. Round. R after S. S after T. T for teacher. Okay? We arranged the words in alphabetical order. Okay? Next, take next space. Fill in the missing letters with the help of clues. T dash, O dash, dash dash Y. Next, first one. Second one is D dash, L dash dash, IN. Third one, dash L, dash dash, A, BET. Fourth one, E dash, dash, AN, dash. Dash dash, ARM, dash CY. This word also means prize. Amma, this word also means prize. T dash O dash dash Y. This is trophy. Trophy means prize. Trophy. Trophy is also one type of prize. Ranji Trophy is given in the cricket. Trophy. This animal lives in the sea, dives in and out of water. It may dive and it may come out of the water. This is in the water only. It starts with D, that is dolphin. D-O-L-P-H-I-N, dolphin. This means the letters 26 used in English language. This means the 26 letters are used in the English language. Means alphabet. 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 This is the heaviest land animal. It also has a big trunk. It is an elephant. Elephant. Next, we buy medicines from this shop. Pharmacy. We buy medicines in the pharmacy. Means medical shop. Okay? Complete your work. Next, pick the correct pronoun. They are them. First one. They are them. Him or he. ఇవన్నీ సబ్జెక్ట్ ప్రొనౌన్స్ రాయాలి ఇక్కడ. We or us. It or they. He or him. First one. Dash called us here. They called us here. Tick they. They called us here. Dash gave Dash gave a pen to me. He gave a pen to me. He. Dash can help you. We can help you. We. Dash belongs to you. Dash belongs to Raju. It belongs to Raju. A person asked Manu to tell him the way to the hospital. అమ్మ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ టైప్లో వచ్చినప్పుడు హిమ్ రాయాలి. మీకు అంతగా తెలీదు. సబ్జెక్ట్ ప్లేస్లో ఉన్నప్పుడు హీ షీ ఇట్ పెట్టాలి. నెక్స్ట్, అండర్లైన్ ద ప్రొనౌన్స్. Narendra and Surendra are good friends. They study in the same school. Amma, they underline cheyandi అందులో. In the first sentence, they underline. THEY they. Narendra and Surendra are good friends. They study in the same school. THEY they is there no? Underline they. Next, Roja likes to drink milk. Sometimes she likes to drink. She is there no such she? Underline cheyandi. She likes to drink coffee too. She. We want to play in the park. We. Underline we. We. We want to play in the park, but it is far away. అదే సెంటెన్స్ లో ఇట్ కూడా ఉంటుంది చూడండి. ఇట్ ఆల్సో. థర్డ్ దాంట్లోనే ఇట్ కూడా ఉంటుంది. ఇట్ అండర్లైన్ చేయండి. IT it. Sunita sings and I dance. I underline. I. We are the best in our school. అదే సెంటెన్స్ లో ఏంది కదా? Both. I, we, both underline. Ravi lost his bag. He searched for it everywhere. Amma, he underlined in the fifth sentence. He underlined. He searched for it. It also underline. It also underline. He and it. Circle the word that has different sound in each line. Cave, candy, cement, carpet. Soap, sugar, sand, spoon. Cord, case, comb, center. gate, gem, gentle, giraffe, chin, chalk, chorus, child. Then thick, this, that. We have to tick, we have to circle. We have to circle the word which is different sound, which will give the different sound. Cave, cave, ka sound. Candy, ka sound, k sound. Cement, s sound. K, k sound. Amma, cave lo k sound vastundra. Candy lo kuda k sound. Carpet lo kuda k sound. But in the cement, c sound. Cement, s sound. So, circle the cement. Circle, cement. Circle, cement. Cement circle cheyandi. Next, soap, s sound. Sugar, s sound. Sand, s sound. Spoon, sp, p sound also. Sand, sugar, soap, spoon. Soap, sugar, sand, spoon. Amma, underline spoon. Next, sp sound. Card, k sound. Case, k sound. Comb, k sound. Center, s sound. So, center, underline. Sorry, center, circle. Gate, G sound. Gem, J sound. Gentle, J sound. Giraffe, J sound. Different one is gate. Circle, gate. Chin, CH sound. Chalk, CH sound. Chorus, K sound. CH sound. Child, CH sound. Different one is chorus, K sound. Circle, chorus. Then D sound. DH sound. Thick, T sound. This, D sound. That, D sound. Different one is thick. Circle, thick. Complete your work. Next, look at the following passage and underline the WH and the PH, TH words in it. What you have to do? Underline. I was looking at photo. Amma, మీరు ఏం చేయాలంటే that's your work. WH sounded words, PH. ఆ word లో WH ఉన్నా సర్కిల్ చేయాలి. PH sounded words, TH sounded words ని చూసి మీరు అండర్లైన్ చేయండి. Your photo, PH sounded word. Which, WH sounded word. Photograph, PH sounded word. The, TH sounded word. Whale, WH sounded word. Like that, you must underline the WH, PH and TH sounded words. Okay? Today class is completed. Bye, Nana. Bye.